Hey guys, I just wanted to make a very quick video to thank all the subscribers that watch my videos. So a few months ago, I put an intro video together and I started a YouTube, just wanting to showcase a little bit of woodworking knowledge and kind of what I learn, across building some builds. So right now, as of today, we just hit 100 subscribers, and it might seem like a little amount to some people, but for me, the fact that 100 people are even interested in subscribing to see what I do and the videos that I come out with is really awesome. So I wanted to thank you guys. I really appreciate every subscriber, every person that watches the videos. It definitely motivates me to keep going. Yep, guys, that's it. That's all I had. I just wanted a quick thank you to my subscribers. I'm not really going to share this on Instagram or any other social media because I just want my YouTube subscribers to see it. And stay tuned for what we have coming along in the future with house and shop builds because they're coming.